My newest project is this. Here's the good piston that's broken, so I need to get a new piston. But this is the good one that isn't damaged with a good crankshaft that isn't damaged. But the good head that isn't damaged with a damaged jug. Here's what happens when this counterbalancer goes out, it spits the bearings out. That's not a good side. There we go. There you go. You can really see that chewed up shaft. This one, thankfully, didn't spit the bearings out. But when the other one spit the bearings out, yes, that is a ball bearing embedded in this aluminum head. Because there was a ball bearing bouncing around inside here. It just chewed the piss out of this thing. I've got a machinist friend, and he is going to bore this out, this jug out, machine the head, get a new piston, do all of that. Probably have him do this machine work too, get this case all back together the right way. I've got a couple of balancers floating around and balancer gears. But I had two motors. These are two-strokes. I had them sitting around, and the boss was like, do something with them. And I have that Odyssey outside. It was really windy today, so I don't know if the audio is going to come through on that video or not, but if it doesn't, I'll do a voiceover on it. But yeah, I will definitely be rebuilding this 500. It's water-cooled. It's going to be so nice. There's a couple of 120 horsepower sled motors in the back room there for racing. So I might use one of those. I don't know yet. But there's two motors worth of parts right there and right here. So between the two of them, I'll get the best. And then what I don't have, I'll order. And we'll see what happens from there. Toolbox, still there. I love that thing. Anyway, see you guys later.